Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Raidmax Infinita I630, a case that's making waves with its stunning aesthetics and focus on showcasing your build. The first thing that grabs your attention is the seamless, one-piece curved tempered glass panel. It wraps from the front to the side, offering an absolutely unobstructed view of your components and RGB lighting. It's like an aquarium for your PC, letting you display your hardware like never before. Raidmax clearly understands the importance of cooling. The Infinita I630 comes pre-installed with three 120mm Infinity ARGB fans. These aren't just for show. They're strategically placed to maximize airflow and keep your components running cool, even under heavy loads. The case also supports up to a 360mm water cooler, giving you even more options for keeping temperatures in check. Customization is key, and the Infinita I630 doesn't disappoint. The ARGB lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to choose from a wide spectrum of colors and lighting modes. Whether you want a subtle, ambient glow or a vibrant, eye-catching display, you can easily tailor the lighting to match your personal style and create a truly unique setup. The dual-chamber design of the i630 provides a spacious interior, making it easy to accommodate high-performance components. There's plenty of room for large GPUs, even the beefiest ones up to 400mm, and ample space for CPU coolers and multiple storage drives. This case is designed to handle a variety of builds, from gaming rigs to content creation workstations. Cable management is often an afterthought, but Raidmax has paid close attention to it with the Infinita i630. The case features a well-designed cable management system that makes it easy to keep your build neat and tidy. By hiding cables effectively, you not only improve the overall aesthetics, but also enhance airflow, contributing to better cooling performance. The bottom-mounted power supply shroud helps to conceal the PSU and additional cables, further contributing to a clean and organized interior. The Raidmax Infinita i630 is more than just a pretty face. It combines stunning aesthetics with excellent cooling performance, a spacious interior, and thoughtful cable management. If you're looking for a case that will showcase your build and keep your components running cool, the Infinita i630 is definitely worth considering. It's a case that truly lets you build the PC of your dreams and show it off in style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.